Well, let me not say that because I do have my partner. He does good with this. He just buys sight unseen. And man, make sure y'all join my academy, bro. whdacademy.com. Link is in the description below. It's a day monthly membership, $30 a month. You get access to talk to me in my private Discord, which teaches you everything, literally everything, step by step, all my tips, all my tricks. And we're taking 1,500 people. I got the plug for you guys to get your license. It don't matter what state you in, what your credit history look like, what your background look like. Cause y'all know, like I keep telling y'all in every video, this does matter when you're trying to get your license, right? You can get auction access and be able to go into auction very, very soon. All right, so and I got how you get your dealer license. I got everything in there, man. So make sure y'all check that out. I'm releasing a video every week explaining what I bought, why I bought it, this, that, and the third. Back to the subject in hand. That's whdacademy.com, by the way. Back to the subject at hand. Now I do have my boy Kev. He does actually really good at this. He buys sight unseen, but Kev has history in working on cars. Kev has the space to keep these cars. Kev used to own a body shop. You know, Kev does all his work himself. So that is a difference. So, and if you're not, and if you don't have all these things, man, and you like short on money and stuff like that, I suggest you to go in person. All right, go in person is the best thing. You can see hidden damage, damage that you not necessarily hidden, but stuff that you couldn't see. You know what I'm saying? When if you wouldn't have went in person, you know, Kev gets surprises too. But remember, Kev does all his work. That's my homie. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all another important reason, right? Another important reason is because you see this car here, right? This is my 2013 BMW 740Li. Right now, I'm gonna insert a clip right after this, and I'm gonna show y'all. But if you don't go in person, you're not going to know that these headlights here were inside the trunk of the car, right? You wouldn't have known that if you wouldn't have went in person. And I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. I believe that is another reason why I got this car cheaper. People who are not going in person, they don't know that the headlights in the trunk. You feel me? So they probably like, man, we gotta buy headlights. No, I didn't need to buy headlights. Only thing I didn't need to buy nothing. I basically fixed this car with barely little to no money, honestly. You know what I'm saying? But I got this car for an excellent deal. Make sure y'all join that academy. You know what I'm saying? I'm giving out all the prices and everything in there. You know what I'm saying? Telling y'all everything in there, literally, for just $1 a day. You can't beat it. But like I say, if you don't go in person, bro, you're not gonna know that those headlights were inside the car. You feel me? So you wouldn't have known that. So now that since I knew that, okay, I can spend a little bit more money on the car because I got the old headlights inside the car. If y'all don't know, parts is very expensive. I got the parts plug for y'all in the academy as well. Check out that academy, bro. whdacademy.com. I'm showing y'all where I get all my parts from. List of auctions, everything, bro. Literally everything is in that academy for just $130. You can't beat it, bro. This is the cheapest it's ever gonna be, and it's not gonna be this cheap for long, right? So make sure y'all check out that website, and that's all the reasons that I got for y'all to on why you should be able to go, why you should go in person. You know what I'm saying? And plus, it's just common sense, bro. Check out, unless you just get balling like that. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying. But again, if you mechanically inclined, you can do your thing, and I'm pretty sure you can make it just like my boy Kev do. But remember the tools and everything that I told y'all Kev has. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert this clip of me finding the headlights inside the car. It was crazy, bro. I was excited. That's why y'all gonna hear me in the video like, oh yeah, because oh yeah, you feel me? But all right, guys, so I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. whdacademy.com. Link is in the description below.
Oh yeah. Got a fog light. headlight good. Headlight good, y'all. I ain't bought a BMW in a long time. Dang it. Oh yeah. You gotta love when they have the parts in the whip already, bruh. So, really, oh, I thought this would have closed it. Guess not. Trunk heavy.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.